The foot-pounds of energy interactive calculator helps engineers quickly convert between different forms of mechanical energy and calculate work relationships in Imperial units. This calculator features a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options: kinetic energy from mass and velocity, velocity from kinetic energy and mass, potential energy from mass and height, height from potential energy and mass, work from force and distance, and force from work and distance. For this demonstration, I'm selecting kinetic energy from mass and velocity. The input fields include mass in pounds, velocity in feet per second, kinetic energy in foot-pounds, height in feet, potential energy in foot-pounds, force in pounds force, distance in feet, and work in foot-pounds. Only the relevant fields appear based on your selected calculation mode. Let's calculate kinetic energy for a moving object. When you enter the mass and velocity values and click Calculate, the Results section displays your calculated kinetic energy in foot-pounds. The calculator also provides the equivalent energy in joules for easy metric conversion. This dual-unit output helps when working across different engineering standards and specifications. This calculator streamlines energy calculations for mechanical design and analysis. Find the link in the description below.